Virgos, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of July for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be notified about my latest videos. Okay. So I'll be looking at some of your past energies, present and future energies. Then I'll end my reading with a couple of cards from the universe. So let's get started for your reading now. For my Virgos for July 2020. Let's see what the predictions are. It can be anything, any situation, your love life, your career, your finances. We'll see. Alright. So for your overall energy, the card is Temperance. You are finding some balance, some kind of harmony, peace, and you are just being with that work, whatever you are thinking, because in your past I see the cards are Strength, Seven of Cups and Nine of Rods. I see that you have a lot of things in your mind going on and you are not able to continue those things because of some blockages in your life. So that is why you are just going through some kind of peace and harmony. You are trying to find balance, inner strength, and you just want that everything will happen. You just want that everything, whatever, you know, how to say this. You just want that everything happens the way you want them to happen. So that is what you actually want. So your present energies are the Two of Cups, Ten of Cups and Judgment. You are feeling very emotional in your present, because your present energies are saying so. You want some things to happen, might be a lover or something. For some people you might be going through some love issues because you have that thing. You have that soulmate of yours with you, and you want to start a perfect family with this person. But there are some things, there are some, past life karmas. It can be with the Judgment card, it can be anything. There are some hindrances basically which are happening and you are not able to take a step. That is why. The future energies are Knight of Cups, Ten of Rods and Ace of Pentacles. I see you that you are going to start something new, something very stable and very much determined thing with this person. And whichever or whosoever this person or situation is, if you are juggling with some job or something, you are going to have something new, a very stable beginning with your work as well. So, but I see you that there are so many pressure. You have a lot of pressure. See, with the Ten of Rods, you have a lot of things, a lot of pressure, your family pressure, your work pressure, and so that is why you are just going towards that thing with a very positive mindset. But still your mind, your aura, you have a lot of negativities around, and you'll be like, what to do? I want to do this thing, but how can I do? Okay, so let's clarify these cards now. Let's clarify Temperance. So the cards are the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. you are actually, the balance is between two people, because one person is very dominating and the other person is also very much, stubborn kind of a person, because the emperor is a very dominating person. And see, the queen of pentacles, you are just going, not looking towards each other. See, the queen of pentacles is looking towards her left and the emperor looking towards the right, so they are not basically looking towards each other. So there is some kind of ego clashes, and that is why you're not able to think about that thing, because with the temperance, it's like it is peace within. So it might also happen for those people who are not able to find peace within themselves, and the ego clashes are just going on within themselves. So your mind is saying something else, your heart is saying something else. You want to work as well, but you are so much determined and you are stubborn. You are a little, how can we say, you just want some things to happen your way. Okay, so you are just like my way or highway kind of a person. So that is why the clashes are a lot in your inner self, I see. And with the Eight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups, I see that if you want to work in this situation, you really are working hard for the situation to happen. But the main problem is within yourself. I really feel that it's not another person I see over here, it's you yourself, because there is so much of harmony, so much of peace you want in your life. If this is another person as well, for those people also, you are like, you are not on the same road. And see, with over here also, it's like you are working so hard towards this thing that you want it to happen. You are offering that cup of love, you are offering in your work as well. You are giving your 100%, but for some people it might be your boss as well. You are not able to find peace with your work, but you are giving your 100%. You are not getting a promotion, and you have given, you are working day and night, but still you are not getting anything from this job. So that is why clashes are going on with your boss as well. Okay, so let's clarify Strength card from the past. For some people, it's also a message that you had a lot of choices in your past, and for the job ones who were working, who were looking for some kind of jobs, but you were like, I had a lot of things in my mind, I had a lot of opportunities, but you chose this thing, and then when you are giving your 100%, you are not getting anything back. So that is why this is just making you, very much exhausted, and you are tired because of this thing. So the strength in the past, the cards are Page of Cups and the Lovers. This is something, you had some choices to make, because with the Lovers and Seven of Cups in the past energies, I see there were so many choices in front of you, and you made a choice. If this in regards with a person, you made a choice with this person to go on further, but because of this lockdown also might be a problem, or because of some other blockages, some other hindrances in your life might be a problem in this situation, in this relationship as well. And I also see for those people who are concerned with their job, you accepted this offer of whatever job you are doing, might be a teaching, might be something related to some NGO or caressing animals, because with the Strength card, see how this lady is caressing the lion, and she is just doing her work, and she is giving her 100%. So for those people, you accepted this offer and you wanted to work in this situation, but you were not able to find exact harmony in this situation. So let's clarify the Seven of Cups. We'll see what kind of offers, what kind of things are going in your mind. Cards are Seven of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Okay, so it's like you have sown the seeds, and you are just waiting for the growth, for the plant to grow up and give you the final results as soon as possible. Because seven of pentacles with seven of cups, it's like you had options, but you chose one thing. Okay, then you gave your everything for that particular thing. You gave your time, you gave your energies, everything, and then what's happening, it's just telling you, be patient, be patient, be patient. And that is what is not actually acceptable to you. You are the page of swords over here. You are feeling like, oh my god, why is this not happening? You are becoming so restless that I cannot just be here, because this thing or this situation is making you so much disturbed, and you are not able to continue with this work of yours. That is why this blockage, this nine of rods, you are very much into like, I cannot do this work. I had lost my other jobs as well, and now you are telling me that I should wait. So how much time will I wait? How much time, Virgos? Okay, so for those people whose situation is love affair, you have accepted this offer of love from the person, whosoever he was or she was. But it's like might be some other issues as well are coming towards you, because I see with the page of swords, it's not a good person. Page of swords is like stalking person. Somebody is actually keeping an eye on you, and you are waiting for the perfect timing to come, and then a blockage comes. So you have met this particular person of yours, but you are not able to move on further with him or her. So that is why this is making you restless. So let's clarify two of cups in your present energies. The cards are Justice, Nine of Swords, and the Empress. You want justice in this situation, because you have lost a lot of nights because of this issue, this situation. You know, you were being so restless that you were not able to sleep during nights, and you were feeling like, what can I do? Because you might have not even slept in some nights, and you want justice. See, with justice and the Nine of Swords, it's like you want balance, you want peace. All that you want is peace. You are a good mother, you are a good wife, you are everything, and you are someone, you are a good sister. There are so many relationships, or you can be a good father as well. So you have given everything in the relationship. All you want is some justice, because you have devoted a lot of things in this situation. You have devoted a lot of time and energy. So you are just not ready to just wait anymore. So that is why this is making you so much of restless and all. Might be somebody from law as well. And with the Empress, I see somebody who loves nature and who is more into that kind of a work in your job as well, where the nature is involved. You might be a person from forest, or somebody from animal welfare as well. So that kind of work. You might love cooking as well, I see. So you just want your work to be done the way you want, and that's it. That will give you the full happiness with the Ten of Cups. I just want my thing. Virgos, the main problem with Virgos is they are not like just do like that. They are not dominating so much, but they just want some things the way they want. Okay, so that's the problem. That's the thing with Virgos. Okay, so let's clarify Judgment. So the Wheel of Fortune came in reverse, so I will take it in reverse only. The Hangman and Three of Swords. So this is telling me, the Judgment is telling me that you are waiting for that particular day, that when when God will come himself and he will say that, okay, now you're free, now do whatever you want, your job. If you don't want to continue with this job, you want to start something new, some own business, you are just waiting for that perfect timing. That is why you are so much heartbroken as well, because that timing is not coming. And with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, I really feel that this is something related to your karmic lessons. So that is why the wheel is not on your side now. So, but I see in future with the Ace of Pentacles that it is coming towards you. But right now and at present, it's something with regards where that it will take a little time. The things will be delayed. With the Hangman and Three of Swords, it's like yes, you have understood that, okay, this thing will take time, and for some people you are aware of some kind of breakup. For some people, only for 1% or 2% of people, that you are going through some breakup or heartache, and you are just waiting, and you just are in that hangman energy where you know you are relaxing, you are giving yourself time, you are looking towards the things from a different perspective, and you just want some things to understand, because in your relationship, whichever relationship was this, that was a very karmic relationship, that was a bond which was just because of your karma. Your past life relationships might have not been so good, so that is why you were in this relationship from a long time, and the judgment day will be coming soon, but right now it will be little delayed. Okay, so but that is really good that you are in the hangman energy, where this person knows what he is doing and what he wants, and see the way he is just standing upside down, and still he is so relaxed, and he knows that everything will be fine one day. I don't have to do anything. Sometimes you just have to sit and relax, and the work will be done by itself. Time, it matters a lot. Okay, so let's clarify Knight of Cups now. Four of Cups, Temperance, and Ten of Cups. So many cups. See, with the Temperance also, the lady is doing, she has cups in her hands, and she is just trying to balance. And you might be dealing with Sagittarius, because we had two Temperance, and you might be dealing with Sagittarius. You might be dealing with Gemini, I see. Gemini, yes. And Capricorn as well. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. You might be dealing with these kind of people. Libra also. Okay, so you are just, it's like somebody is offering you a cup. I feel that. And you want to accept that cup, but see, with this Knight of Cups, this lover is coming your way, or the job or the thing which you were waiting for a long time, it is coming towards you, and it will promise you a happy family, a very good happy ever after life. But there are some things which needs to be balanced, because you have a lot of things going around you. So the situations, you have to deal with every situation, then you will accept that offer, because you cannot just leave everything just like this and just go towards this new situation. So you want, if you are going towards a new job, so you want to finish the work which you are doing in your previous job. So that is why. and that is why I feel that you are not happy, because you want to go, you want promotion, you want new job, you want something else in your job, because this routine job is making you sick. And that is why you just want, if I have a lot of things, because I am very talented. I am the Queen of Pentacles. You are over here. Well, you are this Queen of Pentacles, and you are like, I can do a lot of things, but I am not able to do because of this boss, this dominating boss, this dominating person. I'm not able to do. I'm not able to move forward in my life. So you want this thing, and I really feel that there is a job offer coming towards you in the recent future, in July itself. And but you, because of that balance, that inner balance, you are not able to accept, because the balance is not just your inner self, it is surroundings as well, I feel. So that is why I feel you are rejecting this new offer which is coming towards you. And let's clarify the 10 of Pentacles, sorry, 10 of Rods. Yeah, I really feel that there is an offer. The cards are Ace of Cups, Death, with 10 of Rods. See, I feel that there is an offer coming towards you, a new job, a new love offer. It can be anything, but you are not ready to accept it, because you are going through some transformation. It might also, for some people, you are going through some heartache. Your past, you were in love with some other person, and now you are not able to accept that thing, because you loved this person a lot, and that person left you, or you left this person because of something happened. And now when the new person or new love is coming towards you with a new offer of love, and it is very stable offer which I see, you are not able to accept it because of the tensions going in your mind, and you are so much into your own phase that you are just seeking balance, and you just want to be alone for some time. That is why I see you are not accepting this new change which is coming towards you, because of so much of pressure in your mind. Okay, let's clarify Ace of Pentacles. The World, 7 of Cups, 6 of Cups, and 2 of Pentacles. I see you are still juggling in this new thing. The offer is coming, and it is a really stable offer. Whatever is coming towards you, a job offer, a love offer, something related to your finances, something related to whatever this is going to be a very stable offer, because your karmic balance, your karmic relationship is coming to an end with the World card, and the whole chapter of this bad chapter of your life is coming to an end, because whichever relationship you were in your past life, in your past, with whom you have broken up. So, and if you are in job and that was a very toxic job, if you feel that the boss was not respecting you, so this was all the karmic imbalances. So never take it in a wrong way. It was just something you did wrong in your past life, and it is you have to pay something in present life. So that is why, and that chapter is coming to an end. But I see you juggling again, because you have seen a lot of things, a lot of problems in your life, so you are not able to accept, and you are still juggling what to do. What if this same thing happens to me again? What will I do then? That is why your mind is not letting you think the things normally. You are going into very deep, and that is making you a lot of pressure is coming in your mind, and you are restless, you are not sleeping during the nights. So We will see what is the universe telling you, what are the messages from the universe now. Yes. Six of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Hanged Man. It was something related to your past things only, because the person you were dealing with was very toxic. So the universe is telling you, if you are taking time for yourself, if you are giving yourself enough time, that whatever happens, it doesn't matter. I will take some time, my me time, and then you will work on the situation. You will try to analyze some things from a different perspective. Then you will be able to start something new as well. I feel over here, because it is in the cards. I'm not saying myself. Okay, so that's all for my side, Virgos. I really hope you liked my reading, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.